Hey y'all, welcome back to the DG Outdoors channel, guys. In today's video, we have the Hunt Vlog Season 2, Episode 3. Guys, in about an hour, we'll be hitting the blind. I got to go in and let my phone charge. It's at like 40%. It's windy, it's overcast, but we did hear a gobbling turkey this morning. I've got footage of that. And I actually got the box call out and was making a gobble back to us. So you guys are going to see that. We'll see you guys in an hour. Alright guys, so here's what we're dealing with right now. Pretty windy out. We're gonna go sit in the blind anyways. Alright y'all, so we're in the blind now. The weather conditions aren't ideal, but we heard the gobbling turkeys this morning and we're gonna start getting set up. But I asked her how she wanted to hunt and she told me that she wanted to hunt in the blind because it'd block us from the wind, so. And I think she was right. So whether we see any turkeys or not, or hear any turkeys, we're still going to try to hunt. And here's the thing about the hunt vlogs. We may not get a kill, we may not see an animal, but these are our video vlogs of our hunting season, so hope y'all enjoy it and stay tuned. Alright, Mayman 98, what bow are you using this year?
I have the Vulcan DX by SA Sports.
Yeah, and what's your arrows?
With Vortex. It's upside down.
The Barnett arrows?
Yep.
What broadheads are you using? Montec G5s, right?
Yep.
Alright, you're getting set up, ain't you?
Trying to.
Ready to slay some turkeys? If we can even get any? Alright.
Alright, DG, what kind of bow do we have today?
I've got the Odyx Ox Pro compound bow. And the arrows I'm using are the Easton Raiders 400s with a Allen Power Chisel Point broadhead. Alright guys, I'm going to try the first turkey call of the hunt. Now whether they can hear it or not, I don't know, but worth the shot. Here we go. I don't know if we're going to hear anything in this wind. So do you think we'll see any turkeys?
I don't think we will, only because we've heard them this morning, but you know, it's kind of early in the morning, and we had to work. So they might be gone now.
Do you think the wind will affect them?
Probably.
Because I've seen hunting videos where they like call them in like Montana and places like that, South Dakota, where it's really windy and they still get a turkey. Yeah. If we don't get blown away.
Yeah.
Yep.
I have faith in us.
Good job. Good thing. Okay. Alright, y'all, so we still haven't heard or seen any turkeys. That's okay. We didn't go hunting at my parents' house yesterday because the wind and the rain on and off, and then it actually hailed at one point after church yesterday, so that's why we're out today, because we heard them turkeys gobbling this morning. But hey, you can't kill them if you ain't out here, right?
Right.
And we're just having fun no matter what. Even though it sounds like a tornado outside. But that's alright, guys. We're having fun. Alright guys, so like a dummy, I've been sitting here the whole time without my release or my arm guard on, so if a turkey was to come in, I wouldn't be able to shoot it because I wasn't ready. Didn't even give it a second thought. It's been in my turkey vest. That's alright though. We're still having fun. Alright, maybe 98, you can go. So you thought you heard some turkeys earlier?
Yeah, I thought I was hearing it to my right, but I think I was just hearing things, to be honest.
Yeah. It's hard to hear in this wind.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, maybe 98, so we're packing up to go back in the house.
Yep.
Haven't heard or seen any turkeys this time, huh?
Nope.
The wind's still picking up pretty bad. And it's not letting up. We kept thinking we'd hear some stuff, but then we weren't hearing anything.
I think we were just losing our minds.
Probably.
But we definitely did hear gobbling this morning.
Oh, yeah. Alright, y'all. So, this has been a fun hunt. Yeah, it's windy. Yeah, we didn't see any turkeys, but, you know, we're out here having fun, enjoying time together. And, you know, that's what it's all about. We work this weekend, so next weekend, the 13th and 14th, those are the last 2 days of Indiana turkey season. And that Saturday, we will do a morning hunt for you guys out here. Possibly Thursday evening, we'll go out to Martin State Forest or the Hoosier National Forest and Tincher Pond, and go turkey hunting for you guys for a public land turkey hunt. So y'all remember, like, comment, subscribe. Jesus loves you. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.